Hoofstuk 23 Chrome Bunny. Ek is Sondag aand net klaar met my huiswerk toe Zayn kom kuier. Wel, hoe was dit? Zayn hou hom dom. Hoe was wat? Die eerste keer toe jy uitvind jou IK is Lara se hondsin. Jou date met Liesel natuurlik man. Hy trek sy skouers op. Ag, dit was heel okay. Sy het 'n regte chick fliek gekies. O, ek weet as ek so min as moontlik sê, sal Zayn verder uitbrei. Ons het nie hande vasgehou of gesoen of iets nie. Zayn, dis okay, regtig. Jy kan my die details spaar. As sy jou nie met die springmielies gegooi het of so iets drasties nie, wil ek nie weet nie. Ek weet dis ek wat gevra het, maar skielik voel ek dis beter as ek so min as moontlik van Zayn en Liesel se date weet. Ek het eintlik gekom om jou iets te vertel, kondig Zayn aan. O, ek het iets uitgevind oor meneer Marks. Hy was in 'n band. En dit was nie sommer so 'n band nie. Hulle was famous. My ma het 'n ou plaat wat hulle gemaak het. Ek sit regop. Genuine. Hoe op aarde het jy dit uitgevind? Ek en my ma was in die winkels en toe loop ons om raak. My ma was destyds 'n groot fan van die band. Ek kan nie glo sy het my nog nooit vertel nie. So, Tiaan is busy completing his homework the Sunday afternoon and Zayn comes by for a visit. Okay, sorry. Zayn comes by for a visit and Tiaan is fishing out about how it went. And Zayn isn't saying much, but Tiaan knows if he doesn't say much, Zayn will speak about it in any way. And Zayn just basically says she chose a girl movie and there was no hand holding or kissing. And Tiaan later on in the conversation thinks to himself like, the less he maybe knows about this, the better. But Zayn says he didn't come to tell Tiaan about that. He actually came to tell him something else, and that's that Mr. Marks had his own band and was very famous. And the way he found this out was he was shopping with his mom, and they bumped into Mr. Marks, and his mom recognized him because his mom was a big fan of their band, and she even had like one of his records that she used to listen to. Wat was hulle naam? Zayn glimlag en haal iets uit die plastiek sak wat hy nog die heeltyd vashou. Dis 'n ou plaatomslag, nie die heel grootes nie. Ek vat dit by hom. Ek proes toe ek die ouens met die lang hare voor op die foto sien. Is dit hulle? Chrome Bunny. Wat so weird naam is dit vir 'n band? Daar's net 2 songs op, maar jy moet dit hoor. Dis glad nie sleg nie. Vir sulke ou tydse musiek in elk geval. So Zayn brought the record. And as he hands it to Tiaan, Tiaan like laughs. And he thinks to himself, what type of name is Chrome Bunny for a band? Because that was their band's name. Now they only wrote 2 songs and Zayn says he doesn't think it's all that bad for such old music. Ek draai die omslag om en lees agterop. Elektrik gitaar, Alistair Marks. Kan jy dit glo? Alistair, proes Zayn. Is dit 'n weird naam of wat? So Mr. Marks played electric guitar and his first name is Alistair. And Zayn thinks to himself, what a weird name. Hulle 2 songs se name was Queen Shirley en Breakfast at the Blue Moon. Hoekom het niemand nog ooit uitgevind meneer Marks is famous nie? So, Queen Shirley and Breakfast at the Blue Moon was the 2 names of the songs. But Zayn thinks to himself like, how did no one know that Mr. Marks was famous? Zayn frons. Ek het my ma gevra. Sy sê hulle het net hierdie 1 plaat uitgebring. Die goed en 7 singles genoem. Daarna het hulle gesplit. So, Zayn asked his mom, and they only had 1 record with the 2 songs. The record's name was 7 Singles. But after the record, they broke up. The band split. Hoekom? Vra Tiaan. Hy trek sy skouers op. Nie 'n klou nie. My ma sê die koerant het destyds daaroor geskryf, maar niemand het regtig geweet wat van Chrome Bunny geword het nie. So his mom did mention that the newspapers did write about it, but no one really knew what happened. Nota aan self, so another post-it note. Hoekom word rocksterre onderwysers? Why do rock stars become teachers?